If you ever want to be in a good mood and feel good about yourself, just put this song on. Welcome back. I know. I'm kind of a frump right now. How to snap back and to look like this. I didn't want to wear makeup. I have lip liner on, I'm not gonna lie. Basically, guys, I've been feeling crappy. I've been feeling like, well, I feel like it's this time of the month. I haven't gotten my period yet, but I just feel it coming. I'm just not feeling hot. I've gained weight.
There's natural lip into right now.
And so, I don't know, I just wanted to make a video because I know everyone has these days or weeks or just periods in their life where they just do not feel hot. And like, they just are not at their best. And so, anyway, yesterday I was like, you know what, nope. I need to get my life together. I know I say this all the time. I am a broken record. I know, I promise. I'm not crazy though. I've been doing some research on just health things and internal things. A lot was inspired by KGMTL. She's really informative and inspirational, and she went through a lot of changes in her body and just like her health, and she looks great, and she's very informative. And I just know that I'm never, ever, ever going to feel good unless I fix like the root of the problems. And not just like my physical body, like mentally, emotionally, and in life. Like, that's why I wanted to make this video, because I know so many of you have off days or have off weeks and just feel ugly at times, or just feel not as like pretty as you want, or as confident, or like, I don't know, in all areas of your life and not just body image. So I totally get it, and I just wanted to talk to you guys, you know, and let you know that you're not alone and we all struggle. And also that I think it's so important to find out what the cause is of all the feelings that you have, all the insecurities you have, whether it be like a personality insecurity, a body image, your lifestyle, you know, dating, whatever, wherever you're insecure. I just want to hopefully inspire you to just say, okay, what is the reason why, and what do I have to do to change that? If you're feeling like that, if you're having an off week, or if you're even on your period and you're just not feeling hot, get some stuff that, like, I don't know if it's your style or not, but get just oversized t-shirts and like jogger shorts. Or like I did in my last video, or my video coming out, my vlog, I cut my denim jeans that I love this pair of jeans. They're high-waisted. High-waisted always makes you look thinner. It holds everything in. It elongates your legs. So I love a high-waisted jean. And so those ones were already ripped, and I ended up just cutting them into Bermuda shorts. So Bermuda shorts and long like jogger shorts are really in right now. So, you know, they cover everything, they hide everything, and they are also fashionable. So I suggest you go get that. These ones are from, I think, TJ Maxx. I actually ended up cutting my leggings that I had, an old pair. And this is like for just everyday wear. So you could do that if you don't have it or can't find it anywhere. And I don't think that you should cover like the problems that you have in your life, because this kind of sounds like that. I just think like in the moment while you're working on yourself and making those changes to feel okay and get through the days and you want to look decent, that's what you do. You know, if you're breaking out or you just don't feel good, like at least do your hair, have your nails done. I did want to share something with you guys, but I think writing out a list of things you want to work on in yourself is important too, because once you see changes, you can look back and be like, okay, I did that, I'm working on this, you know, set goals for yourself. I always talk about stuff like that, like writing down. So anyway, yesterday I went to Whole Foods and I picked up a couple different items that I researched that are just like really beneficial to your energy levels and the brain functioning and weight loss and just healing your body and your gut. And that's where I got it from, that girl's page I put down below. And then, you know, just taking healthy steps in your life, like one little change in your life can motivate you to do another thing that's healthy. And that's what I want to encourage you to do. Like, if you're feeling off, I just think that you should work on some things like that are bothering you that really are the root of the cause. So for me, it was like an internal thing. Like, I know I'm not feeling good because I'm not taking care of my body the way I need to, and putting on a baggy shirt is not going to fix it. It's just going to help me in the moment while I'm actually working on it. But there could be insecurities and other things in your life, like relationships, or you know, personality insecurities, or just insecure as a person as a whole, you know, not feeling pretty at all, and not just like a day-to-day thing, like a once in a while thing. You know, there's reasons for it. Someone could have made you feel a certain way. You may be depending on other people's opinions to reassure your own confidence and self-worth, and it's not healthy. And I know it's so hard with social media and just the world that we live in today. Like, it's so hard to not hear the things that people say and want the approval of others, and I really understand that. But you have to understand, like, in reality, you have to take care of yourself. And for me, the only thing that's going to give me true confidence is God. And I know not all of you understand that or believe that, but that is the truth, and that's the truth for me. But again, like, there are outside things that are going to help build your confidence and help you feel better and look better. So I totally encourage you to do that and find that and find out the cause of why you feel the way you do. But I wanted to read you a couple things, and I was on my website recently. I haven't went on my blog in a long time. I wrote, and I just want to show you something. So if you go to my website, charlottefaraci.com, on the computer it looks differently, but on your phone like this, it'll come up and you'll see lifestyle and beauty, spiritual wellness, and relationships. And if you click on relationships, the first one that comes up is 5 ways to build confidence. So just click on that. There's a video version on my channel, which I have, but honestly, I really like this. I feel like that video is okay, but I don't know, me writing this down and rereading it, it's so helpful. And I'm not like praising myself for what I wrote. It's just that, like, when I was writing that, like, I was speaking to myself and to you guys. I always feel like that when it's like therapeutic, you know? And I truly believe that this is like truth. So there's 5 different things that can help build your confidence. So I break it down into 5. I say what they are, and then I give 1. I give you like a thing on that, and like 2. Anyway, check it out. I will have that link down below if you really want to learn how to gain confidence and just kind of remind yourself. But I did want to read you a couple of things that might be helpful to you, make you feel, you know, better. So this is my book on God's Word of Life. It's on beauty, and it's Proverbs 31:30. Charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. So yes, externally we want to look good, and beauty is a wonderful thing that God created, but the most beautiful person that you know, or you know, some of the most beautiful people aren't necessarily the most beautiful souls. And I think that beauty, I know it sounds cliche, but beauty within is true beauty, and that shines and outweighs everything else externally. So that's something I wanted to. And then this one, 1 Peter 3:3-5. Your beauty should not come from outward adornment, such as braided hair and the wearing of gold jewelry and fine clothes. Instead, it should be that of your inner self, the unfading beauty of a gentle and quiet spirit, which is of great worth in God's sight. For this is the way the holy women of the past who put their hope in God used to make themselves beautiful. And I know, hearing that, you may be like, whatever, like, I still want to look pretty. Like, what? Seeking the inner beauty of yourself and people around you is truly so much more valuable than outer appearance. And being beautiful and working on your inner soul first is going to encourage you to make other healthy choices. It really does. And that's how I feel I've grown, just working on myself and my relationship with God and my relationships, and seeking wisdom and righteousness has encouraged me to just take steps. And that's what I think it's all about, because you're never going to learn something all at once. And I think like just taking healthy steps and choices will influence and encourage you to do another healthy step in your life. You know what I mean? Okay, and then this one is on self-worth. And just bear with me, I will explain after. So it's 1 Corinthians 6, 19 through 20. Do you not know that your body is a temple of the Holy Spirit who is in you, whom you have received from God? You are not your own, you were bought at a price, therefore honor God with your body. This is one that's a verse to me, like I feel like me and my husband, like God has been speaking to us about, because we were talking just like how life is hard, obviously, but like everything that's like fleshly desires, it takes discipline to withhold from. And the thing is, as being a Christian, you know, there's so many positives, and like obviously I wouldn't have it any other way, but it's definitely a more narrow road. It's a very narrow road in your life, and it comes with so many challenges. Yes, it's worth it, but it comes with challenges. And so anyway, I just have been feeling that God's telling me like your body is a temple. And so the way we treat our bodies and the way we carry ourselves and the way like what we put into our bodies and, you know, what we do is all going to affect us in every area. And so I feel like it's just, I think everything just takes discipline, and you have to want to change. You have to want to be better. And I think you'll feel so much better when you take those steps and understand that. Does that make sense? We have this one body, and I'm getting older. I'm not getting any younger. I'm 30 years old. And, you know, the body that I have right now, I need to take care of it. Do you guys feel me on this? Like, do you feel like that sometimes, or are you going through it currently, and what do you do to feel better? I just think that taking it one step deeper, like rather than just being like, oh, I need to go to the gym and fix my body. Well, I really do, but, or, oh, I need to like, you know, buy more makeup to cover my face, or, oh, I need to, you know, just find a new guy to like distract me right now. Like, it's none of that is going to like fix the root cause of what you're feeling. Don't run away from your problems. Don't, you know, try to get a quick fix. Yes, this video is called Snap Back from Feeling Like That, but I want it to be more of a reality check, and I challenge you guys to just really dive in and focus on what it is that causes you to feel the way you feel, and what you like choose to ignore and run away from, and how to fix it. Because ultimately I feel like working on yourself and all the deeper issues is what's going to help make you feel more confident and be better and be a more beautiful woman. So, you know, do your nails, get you some like cute sporty clothes while in the meantime, and make sure your hair is done, and, you know, do what you gotta do, listen to some music, but don't let it be a distraction from what the real truth is and how to like really work on yourself and your confidence, you know? All right, I love you guys. The next video will be a vlog, and I will see you next. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit the notification button.